What is up mga pare guys at welcome back po sa ating channel. And sa video ito, mag-feature po tayo ng helmet. And not just featuring this helmet as well, I'm going to make a review out of this helmet mga pare guys. At alam nyo ba, ang helmet na ito hindi talaga gaano kilala dito sa bansang Pilipinas. At gusto kong isi-share po sa inyo yung features ng helmet na ito mga pare guys. And actually, during the EICMA 2019, finisher po ito ni Sir Zach ng makina ang SMK Helmets mga pare guys, which is designed in Europe and made in India. So gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung features, yung ganda ng helmet, at of course, yung mga drawbacks, yung mga negative side ng helmet ito, or the things that could be done better mga pare koys. So sisimulan na natin. But before we proceed mga pare koys, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, sa mga bagong viewers ko dyan, consider subscribing today. Click that notification bell and huwag niyong kalimutan yung bell icon. Also click that one para ma-notify kayo for the next video. So sisimulan natin sa looks ng helmet na ito. We're actually featuring the SMK Stellar helmet mga pare koys. So nakikita po natin yung ganda ng helmet na ito mga pare koys. Yung sharpness ng edge ng helmet ay makukompare po natin sa KYT helmet, KYT NFR helmets. So yung shell niya is masyadong quietly similar po sa KYT NFR helmets mga pare koys. Aside from that, we can see the visor itself. So what I'm happy about with this helmet is yung visor niya. Makapal at meron talagang nilagay na design yung SMK helmet sa visor nila. Aside from that, the best feature na ma-recommend ko sa helmet ito is yung ratchet system ng visor at yung lock system ng visor nito. Though hindi kailangan na pipindutin mo to yung wala kang pipindutin, just have to close it real tight at maglalak po yung helmet or yung visor po ninyo, which is a really good safety feature po na nilagay ni SMK sa kanilang Stellar helmets. Aside from that, we're going to proceed with the ventilation. So, ventilation is quite really similar with other helmets. Meron pong ventilation open and close po dito sa chin mount or sa chin side ng helmet. Aside from that, meron dalawang openings or, intake ventilation sa may noo or sa may upper or sa head part ng helmet mga pare koys. And obviously, yung ating exhaust ventilation ay nasa likuran ng helmet, which is a very common ventilation system ng helmets. Right, so aside from that, we will go ahead and proceed sa ating linings. Yung linings ng SMK Helmets, Stellar helmets they are really good mga pare koys. Sa aking opinion or sa aking sariling opinion mga pare koys, I've been using this helmet for over a week now. Gusto ko talagang i-feel yung helmet or yung quality ng helmet. And I can really say na talagang komportable po talaga ako. Makapal po yung linings niya, at though makapal siya, napakalambot naman po ng kanyang foam or yung kanyang nilagay na cushion po na nilagay ng SMK helmet sa Stellar helmet sila mga pare koys. So, ang weight po ng helmet nito mga pare koys ay 1,450 mga pare koys. Makikita po natin yan dito sa likuran. So, this is actually 50 grams or 50 grams na lamang po sa LS2 Rapid mga pare koys. So, masyadong mabigat to kaysa Rapid, which is not really a very bad news mga pare koys, no? And aside from that, this helmet mga pare koys ay meron po itong ICC and DOT or the European ECE or certified helmet, which means na for safety features or for safety reasons, pasok po si SMK helmet mga pare koys. And especially itong si Stellar helmets mga pare koys. Pag-uusapan po natin yung drawbacks or the things could be done better mga pare koys is yung shell. This is actually small. Yung size ng ulo ko ay small at yung helmet na susuotin ko is also small. However, the shell or the size of the shell is very big mga pare koys. Masyadong malaki ang kanyang shell. And itong small na shell ng Stellar helmet is actually the same na shell or the same shell size ng medium ng LS2 Rookie, which is my daily use na helmet mga pare ko. So, masyadong malaki talaga yung shell ng helmet nito. But anyway, aside from that, aside from the features, the lining, yung quick release na lock system or strap system dito, yung kanyang merong mouth cover or chin cover dito, yung kanyang mouth, meron din siyang or nose, mouth cover ba yan yung ano? The rest is really good mga pare ko. It cost me 2,450 to get this helmet. And I can really say na I'm really happy using this helmet so far mga pare ko. And I hope mabigyan po tayo ng opportunity to make a crash test or quality durability test ng helmet or SMK helmet. That will be another healthy review po na i-share ko po sa inyo. But anyway, for now, we're good about this SMK stellar helmets and I hope meron po kayong natutunan, meron po kayong, naka-provide po ako ng decision kung anong helmet ang bibilhin niyo or ano. Again, this is your boy, Dodong Andot. And don't forget to click that notification bell, yung subscribe button, at like, comment, share. And we'll see you on the next round. Next video. Peace out and ride safe mga pare kois.